Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best GoPro Dash Cams is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any vehicle owner today, offering unparalleled peace of mind and a crucial layer of protection on the road by automatically recording your journeys in stunning high definition, ensuring that every moment, from scenic drives to unexpected incidents, is captured with clarity and detail, making it an indispensable tool for documenting your travels and safeguarding yourself against potential disputes or accidents. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Dash Cam. Experience unparalleled clarity with 4K Ultra HD recording, capturing every detail with its advanced 8MP Sony sensor. This device ensures your footage is sharp and vibrant, even in challenging lighting. Don't let darkness stop you. Our revolutionary super night vision technology, featuring a 6-glass lens and f1.5 aperture, delivers exceptionally clear footage even in low-light conditions. Instantly view and manage your recordings with built-in Wi-Fi 6. Connect to the ROVE app on your smartphone to download videos quickly and share your adventures with ease. Keep track of your journeys with built-in GPS. It accurately records your location and speed, allowing you to review your routes on Google Maps via the app. This device offers a suite of advanced features, including 24-hour parking mode, a 150 degrees wide-angle lens, and a G-sensor for emergency video locking, ensuring comprehensive protection. Enjoy peace of mind with free firmware upgrades and dedicated customer support from our USA-based team. It's built with a supercapacitor for enhanced durability and reliability. What we like. If you demand the absolute best in video clarity, this camera is for you. Its 4K resolution and advanced night vision ensure every detail is captured, even in challenging lighting. With Wi-Fi 6 for fast downloads and support for massive 512GB storage, you'll never miss a moment and have ample space for all your footage. This is ideal for those who prioritize top-tier image quality and extensive storage capacity. What people say. The camera has a wide-angle lens that captures a broad view of the road. It records in high definition, providing clear footage even in low-light conditions. The dash cam is easy to install and set up, with a simple mounting system. Number 4. REDTIGER F7 NP4K Dash Cam. Capture every detail of your journey with stunning 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear. Its advanced sensor and wide-angle lenses ensure sharp, balanced images day or night, providing reliable evidence for any drive. Experience exceptional clarity in all lighting conditions thanks to the Starvis 2 sensor and large aperture. WDR and HDR technology expertly balance light, delivering crisp night vision and clear details, enhancing your safety on every trip. Connect effortlessly to your smartphone with built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for lightning-fast downloads up to 20 MB/s. The intuitive app allows you to preview, download, and manage your footage and settings with ease. Never miss a moment with seamless loop recording that automatically overwrites older files. An included memory card provides ample storage right out of the box, ensuring continuous coverage without interruption. Gain peace of mind with round-the-clock protection. It offers continuous monitoring with time-lapse recording or automatically records and locks important clips when a collision is detected, even when parked. Built with a high-reliability supercapacitor, it offers safer performance, a longer lifespan, and improved heat resistance, making it ideal for any climate. Plus, enjoy an 18-month worry-free warranty for added assurance. What we like. For those who want a complete, high-performance solution right out of the box, this dual-camera system is a fantastic choice. It boasts the latest Starvis 2 sensor for exceptional low-light performance and includes a free memory card, so you're ready to go immediately. If you're looking for comprehensive front and rear coverage with excellent image quality and the convenience of an included card, this is the one to consider. What people say. The camera is small and discreet, making it easy to mount without obstructing your view. It records in 1080p HD, providing clear footage of the road ahead and behind. The automatic recording feature starts as soon as you turn on the ignition, so you never miss a moment. Number 3. Beam GPS Dash Cam. Introducing the Beam GPS Dash Cam, your essential partner for every drive. It comes equipped with a 32GB SD card and offers unlimited cloud storage for your convenience. Enjoy peace of mind with unlimited cloud storage and 24-hour parking mode. This device ensures your car is protected even when you're away. Access your video proof instantly. It streams live footage directly to your phone, allowing you to use other apps like navigation without interruption. This smart camera detects impacts while parked and starts recording immediately. You'll receive an alert as soon as your phone reconnects, ensuring your vehicle's safety. It automatically detects sudden brakes and collisions, saving clips to the app and backing them up securely in the cloud for easy retrieval. Installation is a breeze, taking only minutes. It connects effortlessly with your smartphone, compatible with iPhone 7 Plus and most Android devices. What we like. If your priority is effortless evidence management and accessibility, this camera offers a unique advantage. Its unlimited cloud storage means you never have to worry about running out of space, and AI-powered incident detection provides smart alerts. This is perfect for users who want their footage automatically backed up and easily accessible via their smartphone, offering peace of mind and convenience. What people say. The camera is compact and easy to install. The video quality is excellent, even in low light conditions. The dash cam has a wide field of view, capturing more of the road. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. Introducing the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. This incredibly small camera fits discreetly behind your rearview mirror, going virtually unnoticed while automatically recording your drives. It captures stunning 1080p video with a wide 140-degree field of view. Thanks to Garmin Clarity HDR, you'll get crisp details, even in challenging light conditions, day or night. Stay focused on the road with convenient voice control. Simply use spoken commands to save video clips, take pictures, and manage recordings without taking your hands off the wheel. Your recorded incidents are automatically uploaded to the secure online vault via Wi-Fi. This allows you to easily view and share your footage whenever you need it. Worried about your car when you're not there? The parking guard feature monitors your parked vehicle and alerts you to any detected incidents. Plus, access a live view of your car remotely through the Garmin Drive app. Gain even more awareness around your vehicle. The Garmin Drive app lets you view footage from up to 4 dash cams simultaneously, giving you a comprehensive look at your surroundings. What we like. For the minimalist who wants powerful features without the bulk, this tiny camera is the perfect fit. Its discreet size mounts almost invisibly, and voice control adds a layer of convenience. If you value a clean, unobtrusive setup and the ability to monitor your vehicle remotely, this option delivers sophisticated technology in a remarkably small package. What people say. The camera is easy to set up and use, with a simple interface that makes it straightforward to navigate through the settings. It records in high definition, providing clear and crisp footage that captures all the important details of your drive. The wide-angle lens ensures that a large area is covered, so you won't miss anything that happens in front of your vehicle. Number 1. Vantrue S1 4K Dash Cam. Experience unparalleled clarity with our single front camera, recording in crisp 4K. It captures every crucial detail, ensuring road signs and license plates are always legible, even in challenging lighting conditions. This device offers complete protection with both front and rear cameras. They simultaneously record your journey in crystal clear Full HD, providing comprehensive coverage without missing a single detail. With built-in GPS, you can easily monitor your driving speed and track your route. This information, along with your location, is readily available on Google Maps via our user-friendly player. Enjoy peace of mind with 24/7 parking mode. It automatically records important events when motion is detected, ensuring your vehicle is protected around the clock. Designed with a heat-resistant supercapacitor, it reliably operates in extreme temperatures. This ensures enhanced durability and a longer lifespan, no matter the weather. Installation is a breeze, and it features a G-sensor for automatic collision detection and video locking. Seamless loop recording and time-lapse functions ensure you never miss a moment. What we like. If you're looking for a discreet yet powerful dual-camera system that prioritizes clear front and rear recording, this is an excellent option. The hidden front camera maintains a clean aesthetic, while the live speed display and GPS tracking provide valuable driving data. This is ideal for drivers who want comprehensive coverage and detailed driving information without a visually intrusive setup. What people say. The camera has a compact and discreet design, making it easy to mount without obstructing the driver's view. It offers excellent video quality, capturing clear footage even in low-light conditions, which is crucial for accident reconstruction. The automatic recording feature starts as soon as the vehicle is turned on, ensuring no moments are missed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.